Hey, this is Adam with Overland Gypsy, and today we are going to install the Giant Loop tail rack. Simple solution for carrying luggage on your bike. Soft luggage, really nice design, and basically it's going to go right there. And then I can mount the Coyote, Giant Loop Coyote along the side, strap some gear up top. Super simple solution. So I'm going to do a quick little install video and see how easy it goes. So first thing, line it up where you want it and then mark 4 holes. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to drill it out. All right, there's pretty simple instructions on the back here. You can read them. I'm using a 7/32 drill bit. Make sure there's no wires under where you're drilling. It's clear for me. And I am just going to go 1 hole, 4. Done, right where I want it. So next, the screws will go through the plate. And then these little black things here are spacers. They're going to go between the plate right there and then the plastic of the fender. Then under the fender, this washer, this screw, that ties it all together. All right, let's install it. So I've got the spacers under there. And the drill bit hole's just smaller than these. And then you just snug it down. The Allen head's through the plastic, and then the nuts on with the washers. Grab a 10mm socket, Allen set, tighten down. The rack will be good to go. All right, the Giant Loop tail rack is installed. It's on there really good. It's solid plastic, holds it good. Super lightweight system. I wouldn't put anything more than 10 pounds on this, so perfect for tubes. Use a pannier pouch or possibles pouch, or their tail rack to put on there, and you can carry your tools. I like it. I'll do some reviews. I'm going to use it mostly just to add the Coyote system or the Mojave system on the sides, but super easy to install. So subscribe, check out other stuff I'll be doing. All right, thank you.